A quick message before we begin. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. It will really help the channel grow. Hi everyone, today we will look at how to find the median for an odd number data set. So we will be doing two things. Number one is for an odd number, okay? Number two is for an even number. So for odd number, we have to use the formula of n plus 1 over 2. So what do I mean by odd? Well, we have to find our total frequency first, right, before we begin. And if that is an odd number, we have to use this formula to find our median, right? Median just basically means it's the middle number of the data, right? So we're going to start by finding our position first and total frequency. All right, so to find the position, look at the first frequency, guys. It is the number 2. So just count, right? 1 and 2. So we're just going to write down 1, 2, 2. Now, a quick and easy way, right, to do this is look at the number. What's the last number that you've written down? It's the number 2, right? So what comes after that? 3, okay? And you're just going to crisscross like this. So 9 plus 2 is going to get you 11. So 3 to 11, 12, again, crisscross, 12 to 16, 17 to 20, exactly. And the last one, guys, would be 21 to 23. So 21 to 23. And we've got our position already. So let's go to frequency. 2 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 will get you 23 as well. Okay? Another way to get the total frequency, if you don't want to plus this up, well, you can just look at this number over here, right? As you guys can see, the number is also 23. All right, so we've got our total frequency, we've got our position. What do we do next? Well, we're going to find our median data number. Like, where is our median at? We need to know the position, right? So we're going to use the formula n plus 1 over 2. Since 23, the frequency is an odd number. So we're going to do 23 plus 1 over 2. All right, that will give me the 12 number. All that I need to do now is find where that 12 is. And I can see it's right here, right, in the position. This is the number 12, all right? So relate it to the score, which is the number above. So the median is just going to be the number 3. So we're just going to write down 3 for our median. So that's how you do odd number data sets. We'll be doing even number next. Actually, before we go to our to find a median for our even number data set, let's do another question on odd number data set first. So we have another question here, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We've got our frequency. And like I said, guys, we're going to find our position first. All right. So our position, what would it be? Frequency is 2. So the first position will be 1 to 2. Right? You can only go up to a maximum of 2, and you always start from the number 1. All right. So take, for example, if you're confused on this, let's say I change this frequency to the number 4. It's not a 2 anymore, it's a 4. So the position will then be 1 till 4. So that's how it works, all right? So we got 1 till 2. What comes after 2? The number 3, of course, all right? And just crisscross again, right? 7 plus 2 is 9. 10 to 19, 20 to 31, and 32 till 37. Let me just see if I got that right. Yep, it's okay. So my total frequency, I just need to add all of them up. So 2 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 6 will get me 37. All right, so this is an odd number because it's a number 37. So we have to find our median data number using the formula of n plus 1 over 2. So n plus 1 over 2, right? So 37 plus 1 over 2. You're going to get 19. Right? So since I've got 19, my median, so this is the 19 number actually, right? 19. So we have to find it in the position, guys, right? So where's the 19? Well, the 19 is over here, right? And what is the score? Score is 30. So my median is actually 30. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. So for median, to find a median for even number data sets, we have two formulas that we need to use, which is n over 2 and n over 2 plus 1. We have a question here that says 10, 20, 30, 40. The frequency is 2451. As always, let's go and find the position first. The position will be from 1 till 2, 3 till 6, 7 till 11. Now this is a bit special, guys, because there's only one more number remaining, right? The frequency, there's only one more number remaining. Now take for instance, if say I change the question a little bit, say I say that the frequency here is 2 instead, right? Not 1. Now what you would do then is you would do 12 to 13, right? That's correct, right? You would do that. But for the number 1, it's a little bit different because there's only one number remaining. So you are just going to go from number 11 to 12. Okay? So the total frequency, 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 will actually get you 12 as well. Right? So your total frequency is 12. So as we did in the odd number data set, we are just going to find our median data number, right? It will be 12 divided by 2. I'm going to get 6. And the second median data number is I'm going to do 12 over 2 plus 1. You will get as the 7th number. Right? This is a special for even numbers that we need to find two numbers at the same time. So where is my 6th and 7th number? Well, it will be over here, right? So the 6 is over here and the 7 is over here. So relate it back to the score again. For number 6, it would be 20, right? And for the number 7, it's attached to the number 30. Exactly. So now, how do I finish up my question? Like, how do I get the median, right? Because I've got two numbers right now, 20 and 30. Well, it's really simple. All we have to do is to take, I'm running out of space, guys. Let me see if I can move this a bit. Let me just move this to the left a bit. Yep. All right. So to find the median, okay, all I need to do is to take 20 plus 30 over 2. Just divide it by 2 all the time, right? This is all the time. 20 plus 30, first number and second number, divided by 2. You're going to get it as 25. So this is your answer right here. The answer is 25. And that is how you do it. Right, so our last and final question for today. Again, we want to find the median for even number data sets. Right, so we have our score, frequency, and we always start by writing the position down. So this one would be 1 till 5, 6 till 14, 15 till 20, 21 till 27, and 28 till 30. Okay, the previous question, remember? It was 1, right? So there's only one number, but we have the number 3 now. So just do it like normal, 28 till 30. Our total frequency, again, if you need to show the workings, you can. But like I said, it is actually just going to be 30. So 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 equals 30. See, it's the same as the number at the top. Our first median data number, right? We are going to do 30 over 2 equals into 15. So it's the 15th number. Our second median data number will be 30 over 2 plus 1. That would get me my 16th number. Right, so we have to go and find the position, right, guys? We have to go find the position, like where is it located. So the 15, it's right here. And I'm going to relate it back to the score again, the number at the top, which is going to be the number 8. All right. And 16. All right, 16. Where is 16? Right, 16 is actually just here as well, right? It's next to the 15. So when this happens, right, okay, when both of them are in the same position, okay, it will just be the number 8, right? So we can just write our answer down actually. We can just say the median is actually just 8. All right, so just number 8, yeah. So what's the difference, right, from the previous question? This was my previous question, right, guys? So if you guys can see the position here, right, for my first median data number and my second median data number was 6 and 7. They were side by side to each other. So that means you're going to get 2 scores. Okay, you're going to get 20 and also 30. Right? But in our current question right now, the first median data number was 15 and the second median data number was 16. It's both. Can you guys see the position? 15 and 16 is in the same position, the same group basically, right? So we don't have to do anything here. Well, I mean, if you want, you can do 8 plus 8 divided by 2, but that's going to get you 8 as well, right? So there's no need to do that. And you can just get your answer directly. So the median over here is 8. So a couple of things to think about is that your odd number data set, the formula is going to be n plus 1 over 2, right? And that's only just one formula. But for even number data sets, you've got 2 formulas, which is your n over 2 and n over 2 plus 1. You will get 2 median data numbers, which you will then use to solve the question. Well, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. If you guys liked, if you guys enjoyed this video, well, please remember to leave a comment and subscribe and like down below, right? I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now, everyone.